Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about positive clamper circuit with negative bias mode. In previous lecture, we saw about the positive clamper circuit with positive bias. When it is in positive bias mode, it is shifted 2 volts above that one. Correct, right? So because of it is adding 2 volts, so that it is gets shifted with 2 volts of DC above that one. Whereas in this one, we are having a negative bias, right? So it is in negative bias case, if you got the 5 volts as a peak to peak voltage, so it will have a DC voltage of 2 volts, so it will shift. It means it will reduce as the minus 2 volts will be the shift, right? So it will shift the output in reverse direction. It means that it will shift the output waveform just below to the x-axis or the t-axis, time axis. Whereas in the case of positive bias mode, it will shifted a DC of 2 volts above. Whereas in this case, it will shift a DC of minus 2 volts below to the time axis. So let's see. Everyone are, I hope what I am explaining is clear. Okay, this is right. This is my input. Whereas in the when I am taking the output, okay, I should draw the time axis as well as that one, right? So, where is the case? This is the VM, this is the 2 VM. So, in the positive half case, we got output like 2 volts shifted version in the positive half case. It means positive bias mode. Whereas in the negative half case, we will be going to get an output such that it is having a 2 volts DC below to that one. So it will have a shifted version of 2 volts below to that one. So in this way, we are going to get an output such that it will work as a positive clipper circuit with negative bias. Because of having some DC voltage we are providing, it is like a biasing voltage. So because of that biasing voltage also, whether which mode you are giving and the way of mode, by the providing input in the way of mode on that way, according to that only the output may be various. If it is you are giving positive mode, then it will shift the positive bias in the positive bias mode about 2 volts DC. If it is in the reverse bias like a negative bias case, then it will shift the output from the time axis to below to minus 2 volts. So let's understand in the multisim. Let's go to that one. So here you can notice over here. This is the capacitor, resistor, diode, and the biasing voltage of 2 volts, which is connected in the negative mode. Function generator I have been given 5 volts with a 0 offset and a frequency of 1 kilohertz. So here you can notice the output waveform, whether you are getting on the positive half, negative half, or else entire positive shift or entire negative shift or partially positive shift, partially negative shift. All these things you are going to observe in the this session. So let's briefly explain the circuit. If it is so, this is maximum voltage it is charged, that is Vm. When it is in reverse bias case, open circuit, there is no voltage, so Vm plus Vi. On the output side, when it is again positive cycle, it is already V naught is like Vm plus Vi. It will adds up the input waveform. So plus Vm. 2 Vm plus Vi. Whereas this is minus 2 Vm minus 2. Whereas if it is 2 Vm is 2 into 5. Maximum voltage I am taking 5. 10 minus 2, 8 volts. So the output should be 8 volts. Correct, right? So this should be 10 volts. So this is the 8 volts. You can notice over here. By taking the values I am telling. So if I am taking my input as 10 volts, this is Vm, it is charged. This is 2 minus 2 volts. Again in the positive of this is also positive cycle, it is Vm. So Vm plus Vm, 2 Vm is 10. Whereas in minus 2 volts it is minus 2. 10 minus 2, 8. So this entire is 10 because of negative bias 2 volts. it is removing 2 volts and giving remaining 8 volts as our output. So in this way you understand more clear, whereas in the presentation it is more clear. I hope think so. So this is how for this session. If you have any doubts, please comment us below. And thank you for watching. If you have any queries regarding the entire multisim tutorials from 1 to till now, ask at any time and any comments box. We will surely help you to hear. So this is how for this session. We are planning to give the Python tutorials as well as programming like C, C++, Python in the future lecture after completion of this multi-sim tutorials. So hope we are going to do our best. So this is how for this session. Thank you for watching.